Time to test your vocabulary. 25 questions at beginner level. Choose the correct word for each sentence. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's go. Question 1. I'm very blank. I need a glass of water. Question 2. She blank her teeth twice a day. Question 3. Can I blank a coffee, please? Question 4. The opposite of cheap is blank. Question 5. I need to blank an umbrella. It's raining outside. Question 6. Please blank the light. It's too dark in here. So you know a lot of words, but here's the real question. Can you use them when you're actually talking to someone? If you freeze or keep translating in your head, From Stuck to Fluent can help. It's a 30-day challenge with over 500 phrases for real, everyday situations. Ordering food, making small talk, asking for help. The link is right there in the description. Check it out. Question 7. My alarm clock blank at 6 every morning. Question 8. She blank a photo of the sunset with her phone. Question 9. He blank a shower before breakfast every day. Question 10. I want to blank a reservation at the restaurant for tonight. Question 11. The kids are playing outside because the blank is beautiful today. Question 12. Can you blank me your pen? I forgot mine. Question 13. I usually blank to work by bus. Question 14. She blank a lot of money at the shopping mall. Question 15. Don't forget to blank your seatbelt before driving. Question 16. I couldn't sleep last night because the neighbors were too blank. Question 17. He blank his bike to school every morning. Question 18. Could you blank the volume, please? I can't hear the TV. Question 19. I always blank my bed as soon as I wake up. Question 20. The flight was blank by 2 hours because of the storm. Question 21. She blanked hello to her neighbor every morning. Question 22. I need to blank my phone. The battery is almost dead. Question 23. He asked the waiter to bring the blank so he could pay. Question 24. We had a great time at the beach. The water was really blank. Question 25. She blanked a wish before blowing out the candles on her cake. "25 questions, done. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and let me know which question was the hardest for you. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for a new quiz every day. See you in the next one.